Let we discuss about Horner syndrome. It is due to injury to lower parts of brachial plugs. We have three signs of Horner syndrome. First one is ptosis, meiosis, and hydrosis. Ptosis is dropping of eyelid, meiosis is contracting pupil, and hydrosis is loss of sweating on face. Usually C8 and T1 roots are involved. We have a mnemonic for remembering the signs of Horner syndrome. First one is S for sympathetic nerve fiber injury, A for anhidrosis, M for meiosis, P for ptosis, L for loss of ciliospinal reflex, means loss of reflex of dilatation of pupil, and ophthalmos means posterior displacement of eye within orbit. We have three major signs of Horner syndrome: constricted pupil, dropping of eyelid, and absence of sweating, as we have discussed before. Now in this pic we have two types of pupils. First one is healthy pupil, second one is Horner syndrome. As you can see the difference between the pupils of eyes. Here we have a constricted pupil configuration, that is the major sign of Horner syndrome. That was our today's lecture. I hope you have enjoyed it. Stay tuned with us for further lectures. Thank you.